The global financial system has quietly crossed a terrifying point of no return. We are no longer trading against human intuition, hedge fund managers, or even standard algorithmic models. Right now, entirely autonomous AI agents are executing multi-billion-dollar asset swaps at near-instant speeds, completely independent of human authorization or oversight. The market has become a self-evolving playground for machine intelligence, and human capital is officially being pushed out of the equation. To understand the magnitude of this structural shift, you have to look past the basic conversational chatbots that dominate public media. The real frontier of artificial intelligence is agentic, software architectures designed not just to answer questions, but to express intent, make high-stakes calculations, and execute complex operations completely autonomously. These digital entities possess their own operational capital, their own risk profiles, and their own real-time monitoring systems. They don't wait for a human operator to confirm a buy or sell order. They analyze global macro data, geopolitical tracking feeds, and supply chain disruptions, executing massive capital reallocations in the milliseconds before a human mind can even register a market shift. This creates a deeply asymmetrical financial landscape. The legacy tools used by retail investors and traditional fund managers are becoming functionally obsolete. When an agentic AI system can predict a market trend based on localized satellite imagery of shipping ports, real-time energy grid fluctuations, and sentiment analysis across millions of private communication nodes simultaneously, human analysis becomes a relic of the past. The stock market is transforming into a dark, machine-to-machine ecosystem where autonomous entities trade vast sums of capital with other autonomous entities, creating a completely synthetic layer of economic reality that operates entirely outside of human comprehension. The systemic risks embedded in this automated economy are unprecedented. Traditional algorithmic trading was governed by hard-coded, predictable parameters. If a certain threshold was met, the system reacted in a predetermined way. Agentic AI, however, operates via self-evolving neural networks. They learn, adapt, and formulate strategies that were never explicitly programmed by their creators. If multiple competing AI agents simultaneously determine that a highly volatile geopolitical event requires an immediate liquidation of specific assets, the resulting cascade could trigger a structural collapse so rapid that human regulators wouldn't even have time to access the kill switch. The entire global wealth architecture could be reshaped in the span of a single heartbeat. This isn't just about Wall Street volatility. It directly impacts the fundamental value of your personal capital and savings. As agentic AI dominates asset pricing, traditional economic indicators like corporate earnings, consumer demand, and real-world utility are decoupled from market valuation. Prices are dictated by machine-scale liquidity loops and algorithmic front-running. The traditional paths to building long-term generational wealth through clear, calculated human investment are being closed off. To survive in this new paradigm, your entire financial strategy must adapt to an environment where the primary driver of value is no longer human labor or human innovation, but machine speed and orchestration syntax. We are witnessing the absolute dawn of an autonomous economic era. The institutions that have dictated human society for centuries are being rewired from the inside out, replacing human judgment with self-optimizing code. The speed of this transition is accelerating, and the gap between those who leverage these autonomous tools and those who are buried by them is widening into an unbridgeable canyon. The market doesn't care about your financial plan. It only responds to execution. If you are still relying on legacy models to secure your future, you are already defenseless against the machine. The future of wealth has been automated,